Elephants are among the most fascinating creatures on Earth, not just because of their intelligence, social structures, and incredible memory, but also because of an extraordinary biological advantage: they rarely get cancer. This phenomenon has intrigued scientists for decades, especially considering that elephants have far more cells than humans and, therefore, should theoretically be more prone to cancer. The more cells an organism has, the more chances there are for mutations to occur, leading to uncontrolled cell growth. Yet, despite their massive size and long lifespan, elephants have an unusually low cancer rate compared to humans and many other animals. This paradox has led researchers to investigate the underlying biological mechanisms that make these gentle giants so resistant to one of the deadliest diseases affecting mammals. One of the key discoveries that shed light on this mystery is the role of a gene known as TP53, often called the guardian of the genome. In humans, this gene plays a crucial role in preventing cancer by detecting DNA damage in cells and either repairing it or triggering cell death, apoptosis, if the damage is too severe. However, humans have only 2 copies of this gene, one inherited from each parent. Elephants, on the other hand, have at least 40 copies of the TP53 gene, a staggering number that provides them with a vastly superior ability to suppress tumors. With so many copies of this gene, their cells are much more effective at identifying and eliminating potentially cancerous mutations before they can develop into tumors. This heightened ability to prevent cancer at the cellular level means that elephants can afford to take a more aggressive approach to damaged cells. Instead of attempting to repair faulty cells, as human cells often do, elephant cells are much more likely to self-destruct at the first sign of damage. This process prevents abnormal cells from multiplying and spreading, reducing the risk of cancer. Researchers have found that elephant cells undergo apoptosis at a much higher rate than human cells when exposed to DNA-damaging agents, explaining their extraordinary resistance to the disease. Another important factor in the elephant's natural resistance to cancer is a gene known as LIF6, sometimes referred to as the zombie gene. This gene, which was once thought to be inactive in mammals, has been resurrected in elephants and plays a significant role in their cancer resistance. LIF6 works alongside TP53 to enhance the process of apoptosis. When an elephant cell detects DNA damage, TP53 activates LIF6, which then triggers the cell to destroy itself before it has a chance to become cancerous. This gene appears to have evolved specifically in elephants as an additional safeguard against cancer, providing yet another layer of protection. Elephants' cancer resistance is also linked to their unique evolutionary history. These animals have been around for millions of years, evolving in environments where longevity was an advantage. Unlike smaller mammals that reproduce quickly and in large numbers, elephants have long lifespans and slow reproductive rates, meaning they must remain healthy for many decades to ensure the survival of their species. Natural selection would have favored traits that help them live longer, including robust cancer defenses. Over time, their genome developed multiple redundancies to protect against the disease, ensuring that these large, slow-growing animals could thrive in their natural habitats. Another theory suggests that elephants' resistance to cancer may also be linked to their lifestyle and diet. In the wild, elephants consume a plant-based diet rich in antioxidants and natural anti-cancer compounds. Many of the plants they eat contain bioactive compounds that help reduce inflammation, fight oxidative stress, and support overall health. While this alone does not account for their extraordinary resistance to cancer, it may play a supplementary role in keeping their cells healthy and reducing the likelihood of harmful mutations. Furthermore, elephants' unique biology also contributes to their cancer resistance. Their large bodies have evolved in a way that supports efficient cellular maintenance and repair. Unlike smaller animals, which experience higher metabolic rates and more rapid cell turnover, elephants have a slower metabolism, which may contribute to reduced oxidative stress and lower rates of DNA damage over time. This slower pace of cellular activity could be another reason why elephants experience fewer mutations that lead to cancer. The study of elephants and their resistance to cancer has profound implications for human medicine. If scientists can understand how elephants' multiple TP53 genes and LIF6 function to prevent cancer, it may open new doors for developing treatments and preventive strategies for humans. Researchers are already exploring ways to mimic these natural defenses in human cells, potentially leading to new therapies that enhance our ability to fight cancer. Some studies have focused on increasing TP53 activity in human cells or finding ways to activate similar zombie genes to promote apoptosis in potentially cancerous cells. If these mechanisms can be replicated or adapted for humans, it could revolutionize cancer treatment and prevention. The elephant's resistance to cancer also raises intriguing questions about other large animals with long lifespans. Whales, for example, are even bigger than elephants and can live for over a century, yet they also have remarkably low cancer rates. Some scientists believe that similar genetic mechanisms may be at work in these species as well. By comparing the genomes of different large, long-lived animals, researchers may uncover even more insights into the natural defenses against cancer and how these mechanisms have evolved over time. Despite these fascinating discoveries, there is still much to learn about why elephants do not get cancer at the rates expected for their size. While the role of TP53 and LIF6 provides a significant part of the answer, other factors may also be at play, including yet-to-be-discovered genetic traits, immune system differences, and environmental influences. The field of comparative oncology, which studies cancer resistance across different species, is rapidly growing, and elephants remain one of the most compelling subjects in this research. Understanding the biological mechanisms behind elephants' resistance to cancer is not just an academic pursuit, it has real-world implications for human health. By unraveling the secrets of their genome, scientists hope to develop better strategies for cancer prevention, early detection, and treatment. Elephants, with their ancient evolutionary wisdom, may hold the key to one of medicine's greatest challenges. As research continues, these gentle giants may help humanity take a significant step toward a future where cancer is no longer the devastating disease it is today.